hope you're all staying safe. Today I'm going to show you how to make an elephant using the items you've got in your little bag that you got from the Honeybee Daycare. Now what you need is you need a toilet roll. So you might need to ask an adult if you've got one of these at your house. You also need a bit of paper, a pen or a pencil. Also some googly eyes, which you should have from your pack. Also some glue to make something stick, and some crayons from your pack. Oh, and also some scissors. Let's get started. Right, so first of all, let's get your toilet roll, or you could use a kitchen roll, and then you might need an adult's help just to draw some ears on there. All the way round like a K. It's like you're making a K. And another one, so you've got two. 1, 2. And then using your scissors, you might need some help from an adult with these because they are quite sharp, to be able to cut round the ears that you've just drawn on. Oh. You might have to fold it a little bit just to make a little slit. And then you can very carefully, with adult very carefully, cut all the way round. I'm going to use a different pen, so these ones are too small for me. And cut all the way round the ear, just like so. It's a bit tricky because it's a bit of a cut, curly cut. So there's one, stick out, and then you just need to fold it a little bit again, just to get right in the ear, like so. There we go. So there's 2 ears of the elephant. Using your paper, just here, if you don't have any paper, you could use an envelope. You might have to ask mummy or daddy if there is any envelopes or paper at home, or some newspaper, and then just cut it into a rectangle shape, and then roll it into a circle instead. Roll it into a circle, so it makes a trunk. Now, if you get your glue, you put some glue on the end of the paper, and then stick it on the toilet roll that you've got there on the base of the elephant. Just pop it in the middle. So there you go, he's got a trunk now. Now, what's he going to use to see? Remember your googly eyes? You can get 2 googly eyes and then put some glue on them, or maybe you could put 3 or 4 googly eyes, it's up to you. Just put some glue on and then place it just above the nose of the elephant. And use the other one and stick that on just above the nose. And there you go, there's the elephant. Now, what you can use is your crayons, and you can colour the elephant in. You can use whatever colour you like. I'm going to use red, so it's going to have a red tummy. It's a bit tricky when you're holding it all the way around, or you can draw, I'm going to use blue now because I'm going to draw some circles on the back. It's going to be spotty. And then I'm going to use green. He's going to have green ears. And a yellow trunk. There you go. And that is how you can make an elephant. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.